हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वर्षा कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हम सीखेंगे प्रोनाउन। प्रोनाउन is a word which is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Example: he, she, it, you, they, we, etc. Types of pronoun. Pronoun are classified into following types: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. First, personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are simple pronouns that are used to substitute proper names or noun like I, you, he, she, we, they, her, she, etc. Like if we say in example, this is my book, then this that we use is a personal pronoun. I like dog. I is the personal pronoun. Let's see personal pronoun with the persons, first person, second person and third person in singular and plural. If you see first person, in singular we say I, and if it is plural then we say we. For objective, I converted to me. In plural, we converted to us. In possessive adjective, me converted my, possessive pronoun mine, and reflexive pronoun myself. In plural, subjective pronoun we, objective pronoun us, possessive adjective are, possessive pronoun ours, and reflexive pronoun ourselves. For second person, in singular we say you, and in plural also we say you. Objective pronoun is also same, you, for both singular and plural. In possessive adjective we say your for both, and possessive pronoun yours. But in reflexive pronoun, for singular we say yourself, but in plural we say yourselves. For third person, in singular we say he, she, it. In plural we have they. He is converted to him in objective, and possessive his, adjective as well as pronoun. In reflexive, himself. She converted to her for objective pronoun, and possessive adjective her, and possessive pronoun hers. Reflexive pronoun herself. It is converted to its in objective pronoun, in possessive adjective its, possessive pronoun its, reflexive pronoun itself. In plural, for third person we say they, in objective pronoun them, possessive adjective their, possessive pronoun theirs, and in reflexive pronoun themselves. So this is the table. We can learn all type of pronouns for singular and plural for all person, first, second and third person. Now see possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun are pronouns that are used to show possession, like mine, yours, his, hers. Like we say, this is mine, this is your book. This is called possessive pronoun. In reflexive pronoun, that are used to refer back to the subject in the sentence. Like reflexive comes back to the person of that sentence, like myself, yourself, herself. We can say I hurt myself. We can help ourselves. Next is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun is a pronoun used to add emphasis or stress to a noun or pronoun. When we give special emphasis or stress to a noun or pronoun, there we use emphatic pronoun, like herself, myself. She herself travelled back to the college. I myself completed the work all alone. So myself is giving special emphasis to I. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun are pronouns that are used to point to a specific object. Like this is a cat. Those are dolls. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. Like we say someone, somewhere, something, someone, anyone, anybody, somewhere, everywhere, everything, each, few. These are called indefinite pronoun. They do not refer to any particular person, place. Distributive pronoun. When the pronoun is used in a way to refer to or acknowledge more than one thing or person, although not collectively but individually, it is called a distributive pronoun. Neither, every, either. Like we say, each boy is intelligent. Either road is safe, neither book is cheap. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns are pronouns that are used to express a mutual relationship. Each other, one another. These are reciprocal pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that are used to point to a specific object. This, that, these. Relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are the pronouns that are used to refer one part of the sentence to another, like which, where, when, why, what, whom, whose. These are relative pronoun. Like this is the book was given to me. This is the book that was given to me. Okay. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns that used to ask a question: who, what, when, why, where, etc. Like which is yours, what is your father, who are you, whom do you love. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.